So we've done the Ninja Foodie wings, as you've seen, and those were delicious southern fried ones. And now it's time for barbecue chicken wings in the Kasori air fryer. You can use scissors if you're feeling intelligent. Or me, I always forget my scissors, so I can just get my fingers in and open up the bag like that. And then I recommend spreading them out. And then when they are cooked, if you're worried about the internal temperature of your chicken wings in your brand of air fryer, because some cook slower than others, then what I recommend you do is you do an internal temp on the thickest part of the biggest wing. And then I always find that you end up with some stuck together as well. So you have it, that's a really good sized portion of frozen wings. Wipe my hands just a moment. And then it's time to put them in. And as you can see, it's just one big single layer. You can double layer, but they end up stuck together quite a lot. So then turn on your air fryer. And what I love about the Kasori is it automatically sets to 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, which is what we need. So I'm just going to press start. And we've beeped. So let's check on these wings, shall we? And wow, they're coming along brilliantly already. So let me show you them close up. Oh, and wow, don't they look fantastic? Then give them a good shake. And then as you can see, it's helped quickly turn them over. It stops them sticking to the bottom of the air fryer basket. And now they can go on for the last bit of cook time. And you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 15 minutes. And we've beeped. So let's check on these Kasori wings. Oh, wow. Don't they look fantastic? I just love Kasori wings in the air fryer. Let's show you how good they look. Look at those proper chicken wings. And of course you can do this with any type of frozen wings. I'm now going to show you what they're like in the Philips air fryer. And this is interesting because Philips is my favourite brand of air fryer, but they are known to stick a little bit. Whereas this air fryer basket, as you can tell, you don't have that problem. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.